AquaSprouts Garden Review. The AquaSprouts Garden is a self-sustaining aquarium and aquaponics kit for the home, office, or school. Fish fertilize the plants. Plants clean the water for the fish. Fits any standard 10-gallon aquarium. Grow a variety of veggies, herbs, greens, and decorative plants all year long. Perfect tool to explore how our natural environment works. Specialized teacher curricula available. This updated model includes adjustable drain extenders to quiet water flow. Please follow link in the description to get best price today.